What's up, everybody? It's Epticz here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to do the part 2 of audio doing audio spectrums. So let's see. I got Savage here, which is my latest Epticz music that I uploaded. So let's say let me open this up. As you can see here, it has the background and everything. Now, see, I'm going to teach you all how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new project. All right, so that got me a new project, clean slate. We're going to go through all the stuff that we did before in the last video. So we're going to go composition, new composition. Okay. And go layer, new, solid. And go effect, generate, audio spectrum. Now, since we got our audio spectrum here, what we could do, so here's some stuff that we could also do here. So we're going to change the color here. I'm going to go white on here. I'm gonna go like a yellow here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to come over here to effects and presets. I'm going to go to distort. So this is how you like make it into like a circle. So you go polar coordinates, you drag and drop it here. This is where you want to drop it here. If you don't drop it anywhere else, then I don't know what to tell you. It's just not gonna work. So there you go. And then once you come over here. Type in 100.0. Okay, now once it's like this, you go over here and click on the drop down menu and rectangle to polar. And see, we got this. I like to change my thickness to 5, like I said last time. So we're gonna go ahead and thickness with 5, and then we're gonna adjust this to we're gonna type this in 0.0, like so, and we're gonna bring this way like that. And what I'm going to do, since I like adding frequency bands, so I'm going to go ahead and make more frequency bands. And here, let me pick a let me pick a random song that I want to use real quick. We could use one of the old songs. We can use Light Years, Melrose at Midnight. I'm just going to drag and drop it here. Alright, so now it's there. So now you want to click back on your dark gray solid, or whatever you name it, and then you want to click on the drop down menu, select that. As you can see, it is now a circle. So to achieve what I do, we go to side options, click here, go side B, and then there you go. And what I do is that I keep the start frequency at 20, and I change start frequency to 600.0. So then it will achieve this effect. So like it's more movement, and then we're gonna go ahead and raise the maximum height. So now it'd be like this. All right, so that's that. And then let me teach you how to make backgrounds. Like put a background over it. So what you want to do? So here, let me grab a random background real quick. Alright, so now we got our background here. As you can see, it's a bit blurry because it's too big. So what you want to do, you want to right click on your background over here. You want to go to transform, and then fit the component. Oh, sorry, composition, not component, sorry. You want to go to here, go to blending and lighten. See, now it's here. Then now you have that. So yeah, so I won't be able to play it because I lose frames. So like this here, let me show you. See? FPS, not real time. So don't worry about that. The sound's messed up in the editing. It's not. It's just that's how it sounds when you have low FPS. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna lower a dark gray down, my dark gray solid. I'm gonna lower my background. So let's say you want to, like, if you add like too much, like there's too much time. So what you want to do is that you want to go to. I'm gonna bring this all the way over to where I want it, like right about here. Nope, right there, perfect. We're gonna go composition settings. I'm gonna go ahead and change the time to what it is over here. So it's gonna be 3:19:22, and bam! See it now. Now we don't have all that extra space. So yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I really hope you enjoyed how to this video on how to make backgrounds and make your audio spectrums in a circle. Alright, so I'll see you all in the next video.